This is the Quilted Northern Ultra Plush toilet paper, and it's an 18 pack. And because these are mega rolls, it's like having 72 rolls of toilet paper. How perfect is this? And they're ultra plush. They have 3 cushy layers, and it's also septic safe too. And it's also free of dyes, perfumes, and let me show you how nice they are. This is what the package looks like, and it's premium performance with ultimate softness. And there's 3 cushy layers and premium comfort. And this also has signature softness and low lint. And this is what the toilet paper roll looks like. As you can see, it has a nice print, and it's also very easy to use. It has perforations throughout and tears very easily. And look how thick and luxurious it is. Very nice quality. These are very nice toilet papers. Definitely recommend it for all your bathroom needs. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.